Welcome back. Trainer Peter John Prasad's winter book favourite for the Triple Crown, where Jammin is expected to run away with Saturday's feature event at Caymanas Park. Another prep for next month's 2,000 guineas. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
Jamaica 2-year-old and Prince Consort Stakes winner with Jammin appears to have an easy assignment for Saturday's 6th running of the Kingston, a 7.5 furlong graded stakes contest for native-bred 3-year-old colts and geldings, preparing for next month's 2,000 guineas classic. With Jammin, the champion 2-year-old from last season, is showing as the 4-5 anti-post favourite in the overnight odds and will once again be ridden by 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker, having defeated 6 of Saturday's rivals in both the Jamaica 2-year-old stakes over a mile in late December and the Prince Consort Stakes on April 11 going 7 furlongs. With Jammin is very difficult to oppose in this $3 million contest. Salute the Don to be partnered by the veteran Ian Dolly Baby Spence. Fernando, the mount of 2-time reigning champion jockey Radish Roman, dash all day with 3-time former champion jockey Anthony Thomas, who is back home to ride in the classic prep races this weekend, and the Stardom to be ridden by another former champion Dane Dawkins are expected to complete the frame. The event is slated as race number 9 at 5:10 p.m. First post for the 10-race card is 11:50 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.